The incomparable Goldberg clearly ready for action. Always is. And you have to imagine he always will be.
Intensity, explosiveness, aggression. When you think of Goldberg, you cannot help but think any combination of those three words.
Honestly, Byron, those words might just be understating what Goldberg is like in action. Good thing we're here to see him in action firsthand.
And he's going toe-to-toe with the one true superhero in all of WWE, the Hurricane.
A more ridiculous man has never stepped through the ropes, Saxton. Not even you. Nevertheless, the Hurricane has managed to back up his tough talk on occasion. Plus, he's got guts and heart. Now, brains, I'll leave that to the people to decide.
You don't want to allow Goldberg to get rolling like this.
The Hurricane has to find an opening and respond.
Perhaps thinking about what to do next here.
Right on their face.
Hurricane looking a little less than super.
Taking on some offense, but he expected as much.
One after another.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Look at this raw power.
Gut-wrench suplex.
The amount of force behind that is enough to knock a normal person out.
Reversal. Can they go on the attack?
Goldberg able to dodge that.
Unbelievable athleticism. Acrobatics like that take a tremendous amount of cardio and strength.
He's able to sidestep there.
Look out! Heads out of the ring, but needs to be mindful of the referee's count here. And what is the proverbial weakness for the superhero Hurricane, Corey?
Hurricane believes he can fly, and that goes a long way, but size and strength are a disadvantage no superpower can overcome. Hurra hit him hard, and don't Hurra stop.
He steps foot in the ring again.
Haymaker connects.
And Hurricane fends him off.
A sit-out mat slam.
Here we go. Beautiful.
Swinging neckbreaker. The Hurricane absolutely not going to back down from a fight.
Yeah, against his better judgment.
And the Hurricane really feeling the effects of weathering the storm of a match now.
Yeah, that is that patented intensity of Goldberg. Unexpected and always effective.
He wasted no time kicking out there.
It's unthinkable. Someone beating the one count at this point.
Able to avoid there. Got the full Nelson.
Slam! Oh, looking for the pump handle. Oh, slam!
Wow, what distance.
He saw it coming, taking advantage.
And responds with a counter of their own. Yokes up their opponent.
Sidewalk slam delivered.
He has to be at his limit now.
This is getting hard to watch, guys. We might need to stop this one.
And he's able to beat Goldberg to the punch.
Saw what was coming and answers with the clothesline.
Oh, and a reversal.
Fell off with an elbow. Dominating shoulder tackle.
I'll tell you this, guys, no competitor here is looking to give in. It's going to take a lot to end this fight.
We are just seeing sheer perseverance. Nothing is being left back.
Cranking the head.
Overhand shots and elbows and forearms.
Striking at will.
And the Hurricane can't stop any offense coming his way.
Hurricane getting pinned down with hard hits. Too bad he doesn't have super strength.
Oh, from the rope.
Got the full Nelson.
Slam! Goldberg lining it up. The prelude to the end.
The Hurricane wards that attack off.
A strong head scissors application. And now the elbows. Oof.
Setting up. Nice suplex. Vertical suplex.
Turns it around. Sole of the foot meets the stomach.
The Hurricane keeps him away.
You have been caught. Eye of the Hurricane.
Two count. This is insanity.
Did you expect anything less?
He's been placed in the corner now. Clothesline. The roar of this crowd has been building, and they are in a fever pitch right now.
You can feel the anticipation growing with every second that ticks past in this match.
A non-stop assault from her.
Not allowing that to go on any longer.
Jackhammer.
Absolute devastation from Goldberg.
2. Goldberg is your winner here. That match deserves another look. Here we go.
Here is your winner, Goldberg!
When you earn a win like that, you've got to feel pretty good about yourself.
I think it may be time to start counting again. With a win like that, Goldberg may be embarking on another legendary streak.